Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and safe in your homes. In this world, there are different landforms like mountains, rivers, desert, forest, snow-covered regions, etc. To study and understand all these things along with the density and population of a particular area, we need the help of maps. Yes, today our lesson name is Reading Maps of Different Kinds. Some maps tells us about climate, how hot or cold it gets there. Some tells us about crops and agriculture that grow in that particular place. Some tells us the kinds of forest, mountains present there. By studying them, we will come to know more about a place. First, we have to learn the symbols present in maps. Which symbol represent to what? Point, line, area are the basic symbols to show any physical object. If we want to show Delhi in India map, we will mark a point like this and label it as Delhi. To show a river, we draw a wavy line like this as you can see in the picture. If we want to show railway track line, we draw a track line on the map like this as you can see in the picture. In Andhra Pradesh map, if we want to show the area of Hyderabad district, we demarcate its boundary and mark it with some color or pattern which is known as a real symbol. Thus, all physical objects are shown on the map with the help of point, line and area symbol. Look at this map which is showing states and their capitals. Learn states and their capitals. I will ask you in the live session. You will find a headline on the map like physical map, political map, etc. First, we will learn about physical map. In this map, you will usually find different parts of the land colored in green, yellow or brown. Actually, they show the variety of landforms like plains, mountains, plateaus, etc. and shows the height of places. You can see at the corner showing heights of landforms. How can we represent the height of land on flat paper? Of course, we can make a drawing like this shown in the screen. You can see on the screen. This is the picture showing Nimpur village. As you can see, this is a picture, not a map. Here, the heights of the hills hide what is behind them. We cannot see the other side, as a map has to show all places without hiding them. Can you think of a way in which we can draw a map of this place? Yes, there is a one way in which we can show heights on map is through the use of colors. Yes, colors. Let us see how this is done. Measuring heights on land. All heights on the land are calculated from the sea level, since all the seas in the world are connected to each other. The sea level, the top surface of the sea all over the world, is taken to be roughly the same. Look at the picture of Nimpur village on the screen to understand this idea. I will ask the questions related to it in the live session. Showing heights on maps. Look at the map of Nimpur village area on the screen. Can you see that map shows three height zones in the map? Firstly, areas which are between 0 meter height to 50 meters height is from sea level to light green in color, and areas between 51 meter height to 100 meter height are colored in sand color, which is light brown in color. And finally, areas which are between 101 meter and 150 meters are colored in brown color. Thus, any place which falls in any of the height zone from 51 to 100 meters will have a height which is above 50 meters but below 100 meters. Heights are shown in different shades of colors. Now we will learn about contour line. What is contour line? A contour line is a line joining the places with equal heights on the map of Nimpur village. You would have seen that there is a line passing through the village. This is the 50-meter contour line. All places on this line will have the same height of 50 meters. Contour line will be in irregular shape. Depending upon the landform, these cannot cut with each other. The distance between two contour lines will depend upon the land. If the slope of the land is gentle, then the contour line will be quite far from each other. Uses of maps showing heights. These maps helps us understand the nature of the terrain, where the mountains are, where the valleys are, etc. If you look at the physical map of Andhra Pradesh, you can identify the coastal plains that run along the coast of the Bay of Bengal. If you travel westwards from the coast, you will reach hills which forms the escarpment to the plateau region. Here, escarpment means a long steep slope. Okay students, hope you understood this. The plateau region itself is cut by many rivers like the Krishna and the Godavari, etc., which forms a deep and broad valleys in them. Maps showing heights are very essential when roads or dams have to be constructed. If we have to lay roads in an undulating region between two places, such maps helps us in deciding the route to be taken by the road. Similarly, when dams are planned, it is necessary to know how much land will be submerged by the water of the dam. Okay students, we will end up here. Till then, keep the doors of learning open. I will meet you in the next video with some new and interesting topic. Allah Hafiz students.